Aloha.
Aloha. Aloha.
Good evening, everybody. Before we start to Kona Nui Nights tonight, we want to send our thoughts, our prayers, our love and aloha to our family and friends on Maui. We all saw the devastation, and to those who lost their lives, we send a heartfelt prayer. We also want to send the very best to all the families that lost their homes and their businesses as well. Through the devastation, the beauty of it is the community and everyone coming together, which has been so awesome to see. Folks donating food, restaurants preparing food for first responders and anyone in need of it. Seeing the community come together like that has been unreal. So again, we send our prayers, our thoughts, our love and aloha out to our friends on Maui. Also, as most of us want to do it, we want to help as much as we can. I know one of the, I've been seeing so many ways that you can help by donations. Folks have been printing up t-shirts that you can buy where 100% of the proceeds will go directly to the folks affected there on Maui. Instead of reading off all the great organizations that have come together to help collect donations, and so I know the very one that has been on the ground since day one, since everything started happening, is the Hawaii Red Cross. So I know that's one great way that you can make a donation. If you'd like to send monetary donations or whatever you can to help. Also, they're looking for volunteers as well. Red Cross, but also make sure you put in Hawaii Red Cross if you do make donations so that all the proceeds stay here in Hawaii as well. Kumu, I know you're already getting prepared and getting organized. Can you tell us a little bit about what is happening on your end?
Yes, mahalo, Brother Wade. Mahalo for everyone for being here. Today I was a part of conversations amongst leadership within our Hawaiian community that will be rallying together. We sat with our Ali'i land trusts that include Kamehameha Schools, Lili Okalani Trust, Luna Little Home, Queen Emma, Queen's Hospital, Department of Hawaiian Homelands, Hawaiian Civic Club leadership, and a few others. We also will be following up. You heard Brother Wade mention that Red Cross is directly on the ground. When you make your donation to that channel, you must specify that it's for Hawaii relief, because direct efforts to go to Red Cross, you have to earmark it as for Hawaii specifically, because it will otherwise go through just the general U.S. Red Cross route. Also, as the backup to that, we have set up Kāko'o Maui, which can be found by going to hawaiiancouncil.org. And at hawaiiancouncil.org, you will find instructions on how to take you to the donation portal that you can contribute. And we are doing matching funds for, right now we have the goal that just got kicked up from 100,000 to the next level. I'm not sure how far high, but you know, we hope to reach far and wide into the community. So for everyone who's sitting here, as we enjoy this evening and as we take our mind and our spirit away for a little while from the realities, I'm not sure about everybody else. For me, the reality is rather hard-hitting because my mother's side of the family is heavy Maui, from all the west side of Maui, Lahaina, and all the areas that are impacted, and several of my families have lost their homes in the fire. So it's you know, all we can do is to Pule. So if I might, in whatever way that you understand your relationship with the spiritual place that you go to, please join me and for the next moment. E pule kako. Kia kua manalo I loko kulani. E no mako. Kao po e lavihana. Kao po e kawa no hoi. Ke ako ko ni no mako. Mamu ko alo e kia kua. Me ko mako hapai ana I kamaika I o ko I noa. Mahalo anu I a oe. Kalawe ana mai a mako a pauloa ma ani inei. A o ke ia uolohe ia ka leo kahea. A e haawi aku no mako I ko mako kokua me ko mako aloha. I ka poe a pauloa e no nei maka aino o Maui. A ole na I ho vewe he pono ia mai ia. He mau ohana no maka aino o Hawaii ke kahi. I ua pauno na wahi he nui. Pauno wa a I ke ahi vela. No laila e kia kua e no mako. Ua mako kau e hapai aku I ko mako leo pule a oe. Noi no ka pono, noi ka maluhia, no ka poe a pauloa. E nele nei ka home ole, ka poe e pono nei ke kokua, ka poe e ola nei. Mahalo anu I a oe kia kua, ka ho ka awale ania mako, na anu poe mea la pole launa ole like ole a pau. Na ono e kia kua e hapai mai ko mako na au, ho mama mai ko mako puuai. A e lilo oe ko mako ko no ke ia muaku. Olu mai o e kia kua, me lako makaino o Maui me Hawaii. Ko mako leo pule me ko mako leo aloha, maloko kaino ka makua me ke keiki, a me ka uhane he molele. Amen. Mahalo.
Mahalo Kumu. We love you, Maui. Maui strong. Welcome to Kona Nui Nights, everybody. How's it? My name is Bruddah Wade. This is Kumu Hina. We are hosts for this wonderful event. We are so happy to have each and every one of you here at Victoria Ward Park. Another great event. A few announcements before we really get into the thick of things. First off, welcome you. We do have a bar. All right, so those of you that want to indulge in a beverage or two, you can see Matt behind the bar there. And tonight, Kumu, we got food as well. Tonight.
Food?
Yes. We got Matt's pitch, serving up some ono grind. In fact, on the menu tonight, we have a kalua pig and cabbage plate, beef stew or luau stew.
Oh, is that one of the plates over there?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Let's go look and see what they have. Let's go and be niele and what they have.
Which one did they get?
Oh, okay, wait. Okay, what did you get?
Beef stew.
Beef stew.
Beef stew, and you got pork. Oh, akalo and cabbage. Oh, it looks so lovely. I'm gonna have to go stop in the back.
Yes, and they also have fried noodles too. So.
Oh, fried noodles. Okay, well, please, everyone, go get something to eat, something to drink, refresh. And what if you came and they didn't come to you yet? You just look at your neighbor and say, how is it? How is it? That's the ono. And what do we do in island style? The person that got asked the question, you say, yeah, it's ono, you like try. Hey, have some. Take care of your neighbor.
Get some food from the pitch. You'll find them at Salt in Kaka'ako. So we got food tonight. The bar is open, so enjoy Kona Nui Nights. We also want to thank our friends at...
Yes, our sponsors at Noa Noa. Mahalo for our lovely colors this evening. And look, you know what? I don't remember when I saw everybody in the same matching shirt.
Yes.
I love it. Tonight, all of our gentlemen are wearing this shirt. And some of my favorite colors, because they're so earth, but also with mine too here. So if you like this look, go check out Noa Noa right here at Ward Center. There is a wide selection, and if this is not suitable to your taste, there is a style for you. Go check it out. Noa Noa.
Noa Noa. Thank you so very much. All right, let me ask, are you folks ready?
Yeah.
Yes! Kona Nui Nights, again, thank you for coming out. We have multiple Nahoku Hano Hano Award winner, Kainani Kaunaile here with us tonight.
Ooh, my guy.
Excited to see sis.